Hello, my name is Paul Gregory. I'm a Solutions Engineer at Skillable, and I would like to introduce the first of the 2023 Lab Developer Workshops. For those seasoned attendees, you'll be very familiar with the Lab Developer Workshops from 2022, and we're going to carry that on through the next calendar year. So we're going to revisit an old favourite subject of mine for the first Lab Developer Workshop in January. We're going to look at shared labs. So shared labs are where we can take more than one virtual machine based profile and sort of connect them together. So these are really useful in scenarios where you want to be able to have multiple students working within the same lab environment. For example, or managing or configuring or updating, whatever you want, the set of enterprise infrastructure, and you want them to work as a team as opposed to in isolated units. So shared labs allow us to connect lab profiles together to provide that collaborative environment. And there are many other use cases for them. One of the other things which can be really useful from a lab developer's viewpoint with shared labs is it also allows you to connect Hyper-V and ESX lab profiles together. So that can be useful if you need to convert a lab profile from one platform to the other. It can be quite useful to be able to do that. Or even if you just needed to be able to combine the two solutions for some reason. One thing to always bear in mind, and we'll cover this on the event, is shared labs are designed for class-based environments. So instructor-led, whether it be virtual or in a physical classroom, they're not designed and don't really work for sort of individual self-paced because they're about team collaboration. So hopefully you'll join me on the 26th of January and we'll start to investigate the shared labs, and hopefully we'll be able to also present what might be our agenda for the Lab Developer Workshops during 2023. I look forward to seeing you then, and if you're watching this before Christmas, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.